This building dates from 1886, when three local businessmen, Chauncey Dart, Peter Behrens, and John Konsbrick, invested in this triple-front business block. Dart was a flour and feed dealer, Behrens a furniture store merchant and undertaker, and John Konsbrick, a native of Luxembourg, was described as one of the leading saloon men of the town and a square businessman. That was high praise for a saloon owner in a town that grudgingly tolerated drinking. As early as 1875, the News-Ledger gave notice that persons coming to this place and getting intoxicated are respectfully requested to leave town before dusk, and not to smoke around where there is a liability of fire. A county history written in 1888 went out of the way to describe the city's 8 saloon owners as excellent citizens, although there is a large element of prohibitionists in the community. That large element led a fierce public debate over alcohol until April 6, 1914, when by a 46-vote margin, Litchfield became a dry town. That same night, Mayor March notified the saloon owners not to open their doors the next day. Edmund Linhart, who ran the tavern here that year, closed his doors and sold the property soon after. When Prohibition became the law of the land following passage of the 18th Amendment in 1919, Litchfield still found ways to find booze. In fact, it was relatively easy. After the repeal of Prohibition, you could buy beer in Litchfield, but not hard liquor. It wasn't until 1953 that county voters approved the sale of alcohol by a 3-to-1 margin. Upstairs was home to the first location of the Wendock Cigar Factory. Thomas Wendock, a native of Germany, came to town in 1889 and opened his business here. The editor of the News-Ledger praised his product, saying, "They are as fine an article as the market can afford." The business was a success. There was a ready market in Meeker County, since the surrounding farms had been settled by Scandinavians with their love of snus and Germans who favored cigars. Although he moved to other locations, Wendock's Little Tom cigars were made in town until his death in 1933.